Hello children, so welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, so regarding fractions, decimals and rational numbers. So previous Olympiad questions we are going to solve. So already up to 35 questions we have completed children. Now 36th question. So Ravi had 5 by 6 of a cake. He ate 2 by 3 of it. What part of the cake is left? Not eat children. Please make change here. What part of cake is left? So out of 5 by 6 part, 2 by 3 part of cake was eaten by Ravi. Then what part of cake is left? So here question also, he ate 2 by 3 of it. What part of cake is left? So like that we have to rectify the question. So total cake is 5 by 6. He ate 2 by 3 of total cake. Means 2 by 3 of what is total cake? 5 by 6. 2 by 3 of 5 by 6 eaten by him. 2 5 times 10, 3 into 6 times 18. So after cancellation, 2 5 times 10, 2 9 times 18. So 5 by 9th part of cake was eaten by Ravi. Eaten by Ravi. So out of 9 parts, 5 parts were eaten by Ravi. So how much part is left? 4 by 9th part. 4 by 9th part of cake is left. 4 by 9th part of cake is left. So here 4 by 9 option not there. Please change the option as 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 is correct option. So 2 by 3 of 5 by 6 is eaten. Means 2 5 times 10, 3 6 times 18, 2 5 times 10, 2 9 times 18. 5 by 9th part of cake is eaten. So how much part is left? 4 by 9th part of cake is left. Or according to this question, if you want to make change, so then how much cake he eat means? So according to this question, if you won't do this correction, if question as it is there means, then 5 by 9th part of cake is eaten. 5 by 9th part of cake is eaten. At that time, A by 9 will be, 5 by 9 will be the correct option. If you find out how much cake is left, then 4 by 9 is the correct answer. Next one. So how is the fractional number for 5 out of 7 written? 5 out of 7 means we can write it as 5 by 7. Next. 40 minus 1 by 5 into p equals to 0. Then what is the value of p? What is the value of p? They have given 40 minus 1 by 5 into p equals to 0. We can write it as 40 minus p into 1, p by 5 equals to 0, or 40 equals to p by 5 will go that side, minus p by 5 that side goes means it will become p by 5. So 5 into 40, 200. P equals to 200 will be the answer. So option D is the correct answer. Next. 1.04 into 1.04 into 1.04 into 0.04 into 0.04 into 0.04. So by, so it is plus children, in the middle we have plus here. It is plus by 1.04, 1.04, 1.04 minus 0.04, 0.04, 0.04. Like that we have. Like that we have. So what is its approximate value? What is its approximate value? What is its approximate value? So here 1.04, 1.04, 1.04 plus 0.4, 0.4, 0.4. So we can write it as 1.04 whole cube plus 0.4 0.04 whole cube by 1.04 whole cube minus 0.04 whole cube, 0.04 whole cube. So actually we are having the same value. We are having the same cube is there, same cube is there. So here plus 0.04 minus 0.04, because it is in decimals. If we take cube of 0.04, 0.04 into 0.04 into 0.04, 4 times 16, 16 4 times 64. But after two decimals, after two decimals, after two decimals, after 6 decimals, we have to keep a point. Means we can take 4 zeros, we can keep point, and we can keep 0 here. So 0.000064. If for this cube, if we add this 0.000064, or if we minus the value, it will be very small. We can strike off. We can almost neglect this plus value, minus value. So same value cube by same value cube will remain. So whose answer is approximately 1. Approximately 1. Because the 0.04 whole cube value is very, very small. It's very small value. We can add or we can minus, but approximately it will have negligible value. So we can no need to consider that. So just 1.04 whole cube by 1.04 whole cube, cancellation 1. But it is not correct value, it is approximate value. It is approximate value. Next one. The value of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, how much? So, like this is the given value. Let's start from downside term, this term. 3 times 9 minus 1 by 3. We have written 9 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 8 by 3. Remaining part as it is. Remaining part as it is. Out of this 8 3 by 3, it will go up. 3 will go up. It will become 3 by 8. It will become 3 by 8. Plus, we are having 3 here. 3 plus 3 by 8. Again, 8 3 times 24 plus 3 by 8. Now this part, this total part we have simplified, which is equal to 27 by 8. This 8 will go up. It will become 8 by 27. 3 plus is there. 3 plus 8 by 27. Again with 27. 27 3 times 81 plus 8 by 27. So this 27 will go up. 81 plus 8, 89. Like this, step by step we can solve. So 27 by 89. B option is the correct answer. Next one. Find the value of 0.87 whole cube plus 0.13 cube by 0.87 square, 0.13 square minus 0.87 into 0.13. This value how much? This value how much? So it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, numerator part in the form of a cube plus b cube, which can be written according to the formula a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, a square minus ab plus b square. So a plus b 0.87 into 0.87, 0.13, a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab by denominator same as it is. So this part same. So cancellation. Total we can make them cancel because they are same value. 0.87 plus 0.13, if we add 1.00. Next one, 42nd question. So convert the following number into percentage. Convert the following number into percentage. So first we have to convert this number, this decimal numbers into normal number. So here point after two decimals are there. Point after two decimals are there. We can write it as 35 by 25 into here point after four decimals are there. Here point after two decimals are there, two more zeros we can keep. Now if we remove the point, it will become 0015, which means 15. Now if we remove point, it will become 0700, which becomes 1700. So cancellation. 35 2s are 70, 35 zeros are 0, 35 20 times, 5 3 times, 5 5 times, 5 3 times, 5 5 times, 3 by 5 into 20, 100. So the given decimal numbers, product and quotient, after simplification, we are getting 3 by 100. 3 by 100 means what percentage? 3 by 100 is, percentage means into 100. 3 by 100 means into 100. Cancellation 3%. 3 by 100 equals to 3%. Next run. So which among the following is a rational number equivalent to 5 by 3? Equivalent to 5 by 3. So 5 4 times, 5 3 times, 5 5 times, 5 3 times, 5 5 times, 5 3 times. Here, this is also 5 by 3, but minus is there. This is 5 by 3, no minus symbol is there. So this is the C option is the equivalent of 5 by 3. Next. So if minus 4 by 7 equal to minus 32 by x, what is the value of x? Minus minus cancel. X value, x will go here. X equal to, this 7 will come here. 32 into 7 by 4 will come down. 4. 4, 8 times 32, 8, 7 times 56. 56 is the correct option. So, which is the greatest? Which is the greatest? Minus 5 by 11, minus 5 by 17. This also we can write it as minus 5 by 12, minus 5 by 13. So, numerator part is same. Numerator part is same. So, same numerator with the bigger number. With bigger number, if we divide means we get minus of small number compared to all. Same numerator by bigger number will get small number. But this small number is having minus value. So in minus, smaller number will be the greatest. So the greatest value is minus 5 by 17. Minus 5 by 17. Next, what is the percentage of the least number in the greatest number of 3 by 5, 9 by 5, 1 by 5 and 7 by 5? What is the percentage of the least number in the greatest number of these four? So given numbers 3 by 5, 9 by 5, 1 by 5, 7 by 5. Greatest number, same denominator. They are having same denominator. So greatest numerator will be the greatest number. So 9 by 5 is the greatest number. 1 by 5 is the smallest number. So now, so 1 by 5. 1 by 5 out of, sorry, greatest number out of smallest number. 9 by 5 out of 1 by 5 means 9 by 45 means 1 by 5. If you want to convert into percentage, let's multiply by 20 by 20 so that it will become 20 by 100. So 1 into 20, 5 into 20, 20 by 100, which is equal to 20%. Which is equal to 20%. So what is the result of 2 minus 11 by 39 plus 5 by 26? So 2 minus 11 by 39, 5 by 26. LCM 39 into 26. Here only 2, there is no denominator. So to be multiplied with, this 2 to be multiplied with the LCM directly because there is no denominator. Here 39 denominator. So 26 is remaining, 26 into 11. Here 26 denominator, 39 remaining, 39 into 5. So 26 into 39 into 2 approximately. If we do the product, 2028, 11 into 26, 286, 5 into 39, 195. If we add the positive numbers and remove the minus number, 1937 by 1014. After cancellation, 149 by 78. 149 by 78. Next one. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 3. If one of the numbers is minus 7 by 5, find the other number. Find the other number. Sum of two rational numbers is minus 3. One number they have given. What is the other number? So let the other number be x. So other number minus 7 by 5, sum equals to minus 3. So the other number x equal to, this number will come right hand side. It will become positive. So 5 3 times minus 15 plus 7 by 5. So minus 15 plus 7 equals to minus 8. Minus 8 by 5. Next one. What is the product of a rational number and its reciprocal? What is the product of rational number and its reciprocal? Any rational number p by q, its reciprocal is q by p. Their product means pp gets cancelled, qq gets cancelled. The answer will be always 1. The product of two rational numbers is minus 9 by 16. If one of the numbers is minus 4 by 3, what is the other number? Let the other number be x. Product of other number and first number equals to minus 9 by 16. The other number, this first number will come right hand side. It will become reciprocal. Minus 3 by 4. Because minus to be kept for the numerator. After cancellation, no cancellation, direct multiplication. Minus into minus plus. 9 3 times 27. 16 4 times 64. 27 by 64. D option. So by what rational number should minus 8 by 39 be multiplied to obtain 26? Same model question, children. Other number we have to assume it as x and we have to find x value. Do it as a homework. So how many pieces of equal size can be cut from a rope of 30 meters long, each measuring 3 by 4 meters? So from 30 meters long piece of cloth or rope, we have to cut equal sizes of pieces, each having 3 by 4 meter length. How many pieces we can cut? So let x pieces we can cut, each piece having 3 by 4 meters length. 3 by 4 length of each piece into number of pieces equal to 30 meters. 4 3 times 12 plus 3, 15 by 4, x equal to 30. X equal to 4 by 15. If it comes right hand side, it will interchange. Numerator and denominator interchange. 4 by 15. 15 2 times 40. 15 2 times 30. 2 4 times 8. X equal to 8. So we can cut 8 pieces. So compute. So normal question, children, you can just simplify them. Based on the calculations. You can find the answer. Do it as a homework. Find the value. This question also simple question, children. Just we have to turn this mixed fraction into proper fraction and we have to multiply. So for what value of x is 7 by 8 minus of minus 11 by 4 plus x equal to 37 by 24. So 7 by 8 minus of minus 11 by 4 plus x equal to 37 by 24. 7 by 8 minus of minus plus x equal to 37 by 24. So 8 4 LCM 8. 8 1 is 8. 1 into 7 7. 4 2 times 8. 2 into 11 22. Plus x equal to 37 by 24. 24 3 times 72 plus 7. 79 by 24. This value will come right hand side. 7 plus 22 29 by 8 will come right hand side. minus 29 by 8, 24, 8, LCM 24, 24 1 times 24, 1 into 79, 79, 8 3 times 24, 3 into 27, 29, 87 by 24, 79 minus 87, minus 8 by 24, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. X value minus 1 by 3. Next run, same model question, determine y so that this value will come. So that this value will come. So you have to change this to mixed fraction, or you can take it right hand side. 3 2 times 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. After simplification, we have to keep minus symbol. 3 2 times 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. It comes right hand side, it will become plus 7 by 3. 12 3 times 36 plus 7, 43 by 12. 12 3 LCM 12. 12 1 is 12, 1 43 43. 3 4 times 12, 4 7 times 28. Minus 15 by 12. So 3 5 times, 3 4 times. Minus 5 by 4. 5 by 4, if we divide, 4 1 is 4, 1 remainder, 1 complete part. After that, 1 remainder by 4 divisor. 1 plus 1 by 4 part, which can be written as 1 by 1 by 4. Minus symbol is there, minus to be kept. Find a rational number between 3 by 4 and 9 by 11. A rational number between 3 by 4 and 9 by 11. 3 by 4. So, actually they are doing here by options actually. Uh, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 value 0.75. 9 by 11 value 0.8181. Option A value 0.5. 13 by 11 value 1.1818. Option C value 0.78. Option D value 0.25. Now, between 0.75 and 0.81, 0.5 does not lies, 0.18 does not lies, 0.78 lies, 0.25 does not lies. So, 69 by 88 will lie between 3 by 4 and 9 by 11 according to options. Next year. What should be added to this rational number to get this rational number? So let the number be added be x. X plus minus 7 by 8 equal to 4 by 9. This number comes right hand side. It will become plus 7 by 8. 9 8 LCM 72. 9 8 times 72, 8 4 times 32. 8 9 times 72, 9 7 times 63. So 95 by 72. So by what number should minus 33 by 8 be divided to get minus 11 by 12? So let the number be x. Minus 33 by 8 divided by x equals to minus 11 by 12. Minus 33 by 8 divided by x equal to minus 11 by 12. This x will come right hand side. It will become into x. Into x. This we can take this side. X equal to this side we have minus 33 by 8. If this comes this side, it will become reciprocal. Minus we will keep upside. Minus 2 by 11. 11 3 times 33. 2 4 times 8. Minus into minus plus. So answer 3 by 4. X value 3 by 4. So express this value divided by this value in the simplest form. Means after simplifying, after dividing, we have to express in simplest form. So these two LCM, 4 6 LCM 12, 4 3 times 12, 3 into 1 3, 6 2 times 12, 2 into 1 2, 3 2 LCM 6, 3 2 times 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 3 times 6, 3 into 1 3, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 by 12, divided by 2 plus 3, 5 by 6. Division can be written as multiplication. Then next fraction will become reciprocal. Minus 1 by 12 into 6 by 5. 6 2 times 12. Minus 1, 2 5 times 10. So answer minus 1 by 10. If minus 24 whole power minus 1 is divided by minus 3 whole power minus 1, then the quotient will be how much? Minus 24 whole power minus 1 by minus 3 whole power minus 1. If we interchange numerator and denominator, then powers will become positive. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Minus 1 will become plus 1. When we have quotient plus 1, no need to mention. Just we can write it as minus 3 by minus 24. Minus minus cancel. 3 by 24. 3 1 is 3. 3 8 times 24. 1 by 8 is the answer. Next, simplify. Same model. 7 power minus 1 plus 3 by 2 whole power minus 1 whole power minus 1. 6 power minus 1 plus 3 by 2 whole power minus 1 whole power minus 1. We have to simplify. 7 power minus 1, 3 by 2 whole power minus 1. 7 power minus 1 means 7 by 1 whole power minus 1. We can keep by 1. So if we interchange, it will become 1 by 7 whole power plus 1. So 1 by 7, 2 by plus 1 no need to mention. 3 by 2 whole power minus 1 will become 2 by 3 whole power plus 1. Plus 1 no need to mention. 2 by 3. Whole power, again this minus 1 is there. This minus 1, they have gone due to interchanging. Whole power minus 1 is there. This 6 power minus 1 also 1 by 6. 3 by 2 whole power minus 1 also 2 by 3. Whole power minus 1 is remaining. Simplification. This one, 7 3 times LCM 21. 7 3 times 21, 3 1 is 3. 3 7 times 21, 7 2 times 14. 6 3 LCM 6. 6 1 is 6, 1 into 1, 1. 3 2 times 6, 2 into 2, 4. 3 plus 14, 17 by 21. 1 plus 4, 5 by 6. Again minus 1 is there, minus 1 is there. We will interchange. Minus 1 will go. 21 by 17 divided by 6 by 5. This division, we will write it as multiplication. Then after that we have 6 by 5 becomes reciprocal. 5 by 6. So 3 2 times, 3 7 times. 7 5 times 35. 17 2 times 34. 35 by 34 is the answer. Okay, children. Some still level 2 problems are there. We will discuss in our next video, children. So, thank you for watching our video, children. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Please visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in. So, for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, activities, English classes, coding classes. Thank you, children. Have a good day.